several steps initiated by my government to revive, restore and revitalize the agriculture sector, which was totally subjected to neglect and destruction during the erstwhile rule, yielded excellent results. The steps taken by government to alleviate the despair and distress has come as a great relief to the farmer. With 24 hours round-the-clock quality power supply, farmers are no longer confronted with power problems. Due to government's strategic actions, fertilizers, pesticides and seed are reaching the farmer in time. To control sale of spurious seeds and fertilizers, stringent measures have been taken by my government. Government has also amended the law to invoke PD Act against those who indulge in sale of spurious seeds and fertilizer. The Rythu Bandhu scheme, introduced by my government, aims to provide investment support to every farmer for agriculture with a view that he or she need not approach anyone for loans, has earned all-round praise, including in the international arena. Farmers are happy as are getting rupees 8,000 per acre annually at the rate of rupees 4,000 per acre per crop. It is a matter of pride that United Nations FAO praised this scheme. Rythu Bandhu scheme has now become a role model to several states in the country. Several states are preparing themselves to adopt this scheme. Many agricultural experts and economists like Ashok Gulati have publicly stated that the Rythu Bandhu scheme is a unique one that alone can prevent a farmer from any distress. The Rythu Bandhu scheme has done away the problem of agriculture investment faced by the farmer. Now it has become part of national agenda of the nation. Action. On discussions in several platforms and in media coverage, we are frequently hearing the words Telangana model, much to the delight of every Telanganite. My government has introduced a novel life insurance scheme for farmers termed Rythu Bima to come to the rescue of the farmer's family in the event of his death, notwithstanding circumstances. Under this scheme, the farmer's family would get rupees 5 lakhs within 10 days of the death. As of now, rupees 283 crores have been paid to 5,675 farmer families towards Rythu Bima insurance. For strengthening the Department of Agriculture, for every 5,000 acres, one agriculture extension officer has been appointed. For providing a platform for farmers to discuss among themselves, Rythu Vedikas are being constructed. The comprehensive rectification and updation of land records with an objective to cleanse the entire land record system and maintain them with total transparency has been successfully undertaken by my government. This has turned out to be a unique exercise, the one of its kind in the country. With this clarity regarding the ownership of 94% of the lands could be arrived at. For regularization of sale and purchase of lands done to Sadabai Namas, free registration facilities are provided. My government has begun the process of comprehensive reforms aimed at cent-percent transparency in the land registration system. The Telangana rural economy, which stood neglected till today, is on the path of recovery. Livelihood of BC communities who were dependent on hereditary and traditional occupations was severely affected. My government has taken the initiative to extend financial assistance with a view to change the lifestyle of BCs and thereby revive and revitalize the rural economy. For the welfare of BCs, Telangana government has been implementing several schemes and programs, the kind of which is not evident elsewhere. The Yadavas, the Kurumas, the handloom weavers, the Vishwakarmas, the Rajakas, the barbers, and other BC communities are the greatest human resource of Telangana. The service that they render to society is invaluable. Sheep distribution on a large scale to Yadavas and Kurumas has been taken up by my government. Already 75 lakhs of sheep has been distributed. With the increase in livestock, the Golla Kurmas are benefited with a wealth of over rupees 1,200 crores. Golla Kurmas are also equally happy as the government also supplies the required feed to the sheep. Telangana is also the only state known to run 100 mobile clinics for sheep and other livestock towards emergency medical facilities. To enhance the livelihood opportunities of fishermen, my government has taken up large-scale fish seeding and prawn seeding in all water bodies in the state. This has resulted in steep increase in the income of fishermen. Government is initiating steps to further develop pisciculture in the state. It's a handloom craft. Products of Gadwal, Narayanpet, Pochampalli, Siddipet and Sirsila are popular and famous and have their own speciality even today. With the passing of time and also neglect, the handloom industry slipped into a crisis leading to numerous suicides of weavers. To improve the living conditions of handloom and power loom workers, my government took special care and initiated several programs. Government itself is purchasing the handloom products, uniform cloth for students, police personnel and other organizations, and for distributing saris during Batukamma, Christmas and Ramzan festivals. The government is buying handloom and powerloom products locally. To help and assist the handloom weaver workers, government provides 50% subsidy on yarn and chemicals. Market facilities are improved so that the worker gets a minimum return on his product. A mega publicity campaign for handloom products is underway. A mega textile park will be coming up in Warangal to provide employment opportunities to handloom workers. Textile hubs are proposed to be established in Sirsila and Gadwal. Financial assistance has been provided for starting modern saloons by the naive Brahmins and for buying modern washing machines to wash clothes by the Rajakas. To encourage toddy tappers, large-scale plantation of toddy trees and palm trees has been taken up. The tax on toddy trees has been abolished. The ex gratia on the event of death of toddy tapper has been enhanced to rupees 5 lakhs. MBC Corporation was established with rupees 1,000 crore seed capital for the welfare of the most backward castes. Telangana state is marching ahead in the area of education. As part of KG to PG education policy, residential schools and colleges have been started on a large scale. Prior to formation of the state, there are only 296 residential schools to serve the SC, ST, BC minorities in the state. The facilities in the school left much to be desired. Telangana government has established 542 new residential schools with excellent facilities. From the next academic year, my government proposes to start 119 more residential schools. For the benefit of SC and ST students, residential degree colleges have also been started. In these residential institutions, government spends an average of 1,20,000 per student for providing good food and all facilities including stay. My government provides overseas scholarship at the rate of rupees 20 lakhs per student on the name of B.R. Ambedkar and Mahatma Jyotiba Phule to those poor students who pursue education abroad. My government has significantly developed the public health facilities in all government hospitals with a view to provide better Medicare to poor people. This has resulted in increased confidence of public in government hospitals. Necessary medical equipment, medicines, modern technology have been made available in government hospitals. For purchase of medicines in government hospitals, the budget has been enhanced threefold, and thereby required medicines are made available to people free of cost. Dialysis centers have been established in 40 government hospitals. In different hospitals, MRI, CT scan, digital radiology, 2D eco facilities have been made available. In district and area hospitals, the number of ICU units have been increased. The state has received several national awards in recognition of improved medical and health care. For the benefit of the poor patients in Hyderabad city and to bring medical facilities nearer to them, Basti Dawakhanas have been established at the rate of 1 per 10,000 population. Already 40 such Dawakhanas are providing medical services. In these Basti Dawakhanas, primary medical care and diagnostic tests are done free of cost. 4 new medical colleges have been sanctioned in the state to further expand the medical facilities and medical education. Admissions have commenced in Siddipet and Mahbubnagar colleges accordingly. In Suryapet and Nalgonda, admissions will commence from next academic year. Each of these colleges will have a 750-bedded hospital. Mortuary vans have been provided for transporting free of cost those who succumb in hospitals. This humane approach is a unique attempt undertaken by my government. For encouraging safe delivery, KCR Kits scheme has been introduced. Additionally, rupees 12,000 financial assistance is provided to women for institutional delivery. If the newborn baby happens to be a girl child, an additional rupees 1,000 is given as incentive. For use of mother and the newborn child, the KCR kit comprises of 16 items worth rupees 2,000. This reduces infant mortality, maternal mortality. Maternity and child care is done efficiently. As of now, lakhs of mothers have benefited by this scheme. For pregnant women under the Arogya Lakshmi scheme, a one-time full meal a day is provided to Anganwadi centers. Medicines like iron and folic acid are also distributed to them. Kanti Velugu program has been launched and being organized successfully to provide eye screening facility to each and everyone suffering from eye-related problems in the state. After free eye screening is done in every village and town, medicines and free spectacles are being provided to all those who require them. Surgical treatment is also provided when necessary. On the lines of the Kanti Velugu, large-scale health camps are proposed to be organized throughout the state, which shall bring other diagnostic tests like ear, nose, throat, and dental for people suffering from these ailments. The health profile of every individual as well as that of the state will be developed following these diagnostic tests. For implementation of the scheme, necessary preliminary arrangements are underway. Administrative reforms. Comprehensive and far-reaching administrative reforms have been implemented successfully by my government to bring administration closer to the people. For administrative convenience and to speed up implementation of government programs, 21 new districts have been formed. Additionally, 2 more districts, namely Narayanpet and Mulugu, will be created soon. 43 revenue divisions were increased to 69. 459 mandals were increased to 584. While there were 68 municipalities earlier, another 68 municipalities have been created. In Telangana now, we have 136 municipalities and 6 corporations. Earlier, there were 8,690 village panchayats, and the government created an additional 4,383 village panchayats, making a total of 12,751 village panchayats. Thandas's village panchayats.